Hello my people, na good morning, na good afternoon, na good evening. I greet una according to una time. Una welcome back to another video. So guys, if today na the first day you are see my YouTube channel, you are highly welcome. My returning subscribers, thank you when I say they come back to watch my video. So guys, today video I will show how to cook ogbono soup, okay, with bitter leaf, okay, very yummy and delicious. So for our protein, we're going to use cow leg and beef. So as you guys can see, so I just put all my seasoning, salt, blended onions, and then ginger, okay. Then I can cover and make it cook for some time. So later I can add my stockfish. This stockfish I wash and well, okay, with hot water. Then I can put some. Then I can cover and make it cook. After it all, so my people, at this point the meat don't like 90% cook, okay. Then I can have my smoked mackerel fish, the bone. Then I can put my dry pepper, crayfish. Then I just put everything inside. Then I can cover and I can stir them. Then I can cover and make it cook. Guys, if you don't watch me up to this time, make you not forget to subscribe, make you like, make you comment, make you share, okay. So guys, this now our ogbono. I don't blend them already. Then I just like to just scatter around, you know, to avoid that lumps. I just scatter around small. Then I can put red oil, couple red oil, then stir around, stir all together. Guys, this soup tastes so yummy, guys. So my people, then I can put the ogbono inside my boiling water. Yes, I can't put them because I don't want to see lumps inside my ogbono. I know they like that lumps at all, so I can't put them. I can't cover them. So my people, after like 5 minutes, the ogbono don't melt. Then I can pour them inside the water. Yes, so I can pour them inside. Ogbono very easy to make, you know, they take much time. Wetin matter for ogbono now the ingredients where you use, okay, na im matter. So guys, I can pour am inside. As you guys can see, my ogbono is cooking nicely. Guys, see how my room they scent, like everywhere they scent. Guys, come with your pounded yam, come with your eba. So guys, let me know for the comment section what you like to eat your ogbono with. For me, I dey like to eat am with eba, correct eba. So guys, this not the consistency when I dey like for ogbono. I dey like my ogbono thick, like thick. Yes, now so I dey like my ogbono. So guys, so for more flavor I can add crayfish for more extra flavor. Yes, so then I can stir them together. So guys, if you don't watch me up to this time, make you not forget to subscribe, make you like, make you share. I say I keep on to the reminder, you know. Some people watch video finish or you forget to know to comment or forget to to like. I beg, I say I dey continue to the reminder, make you not forget to like this video, okay. So YouTube will help me push the video to more people to see. I beg una support the ministry. So guys, later I can add my bitter leaf. So my people, the ogbono don ready. So guys, if you never subscribe, make you don't forget to subscribe, make you like, make you share, okay. So guys, this ogbono tastes so yummy, okay. If you use and eat eba, semo, swallow, anything, any swallow of your choice, okay. Ogbono they go well with anything. So guys, hope you enjoy this video. So guys, I'll see you again for my next one. Bye.